Understanding, nothing on my plate, a guide to English idioms. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, nothing on my plate. If you're learning English, understanding idioms like this one can be both challenging and fun. They add color to the language and are essential for fluent conversation. So, let's break down what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily English communication. When someone says they have nothing on their plate, they're not talking about food. In English, this phrase metaphorically means they have no tasks, responsibilities, or pressing issues to deal with at the moment. It's a way to express that they are free or have spare time because they don't have any commitments or obligations weighing them down. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember and use them correctly. The phrase, nothing on my plate, likely comes from the literal situation of sitting at a table with an empty plate, indicating that one has no food to eat, symbolizing lack or absence. Over time, it evolved to metaphorically represent the absence of tasks or responsibilities. Let's look at some examples to see how this idiom fits into everyday conversation. 1. After weeks of being swamped at work, I finally have nothing on my plate this weekend. Here, it means the speaker has no work or obligations. 2. Do you have any plans for today? No, I've got nothing on my plate. This implies the speaker is free for any plans or activities. 3. I can't remember the last time I had nothing on my plate. It's been so busy lately. This expresses a longing for free time or a break from responsibilities. It's important to know when and with whom to use idioms. Nothing on my plate is informal, making it perfect for conversations with friends, family, or in casual settings. However, it might not be suitable for formal contexts, such as professional meetings or academic writings, where a more direct and clear way of expressing availability or lack of obligations is preferred. We hope this explanation clears up what "nothing on my plate" means and how you can use it. Idioms like these are what make English a lively and nuanced language. Remember, practicing these phrases in your daily conversations can help you sound more like a native speaker. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video, and happy learning!